Welcome to 162 Tsataga Court in Western North Carolina's finest gated community, Connestee Falls. Here you really can have it all: forests, privacy, and resort-style amenities. This home and this community truly embody what it means to live in harmony with nature. This home is built from 100% red cedar, from the ceiling to the trim and the baseboards, and it's less than a 1-mile walk from Lake Atagi, one of 3 lakes within this gorgeous community. If you enjoy bird watching, bocce ball, pickleball, tennis, and golf, 162 Tsataga Court could be just the place for you.